Alright, let's get right into it. Have you ever wondered if that lithium battery in your gadget is actually working, or if it's just sitting there doing absolutely nothing? Today, I'll show you a super quick way to test if your lithium battery is alive and kicking, all without fancy equipment or tech wizardry. First things first, safety is key. Always wear gloves, safety glasses, and please, don't poke, puncture, or short-circuit them. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Grab your lithium battery, a simple multimeter. If you don't have a multimeter, you can pick one up online or at a local hardware store for pretty cheap. Set your multimeter to DC voltage. For most lithium batteries, you'll want the 20V setting. Step 2. Take the black probe and touch it to the negative terminal of the battery. Then, put the red probe on the positive terminal. Now look at the screen. A healthy, fully charged lithium battery, like the common 18650 cell, should read around 4.2 volts. If it's somewhere between 3.7 and 4.2 volts, you're good. If it's below 3 volts, that battery is either deeply discharged or possibly dead. But what if you don't have a multimeter? Here's a quick hack. Pop the battery into a device you know works, like a flashlight. If it powers on and runs bright, your battery's probably fine. If it flickers or does nothing, that's a red flag. One last tip. Don't try to revive or recharge a swollen damaged battery. That's a fire hazard. Dispose of it safely at a battery recycling center. So there you go. In just a couple of minutes, you can check if your lithium battery is working and avoid the frustration of dead gadgets. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick, practical tips. Catch you in the next one.